Pret Manger was opened in the 1980s by Julian Metcalfe and Sinclair Beecham. Their first store to be opened was in London, Hampstead. Currently, their headquarters are situated in London, Westminster at Hudson's Place. They have many stores all over the world, including the United Kingdom, United States of America, Hong Kong and France. They offer ready-to-eat French classics.
Pret holds strong value for their suppliers and class them as partners within their business. Local sourcing is key to their differentiation. Pret also employ a lot of across-sea suppliers, which means that communication via IT services is vital. Customers are also classed as partners within the business, and the website keeps them informed of business objectives and strategies.
Pret add value to their products to sell to customers through identical product creation. Pre-packaged items are made at a central warehouse. Pret use different suppliers depending on the time of year to ensure a consistently high standard. Their website has opened a new channel of online ordering. Sales data is used to calculate how many products to make.
Pret view their employees as their main resource and key asset within the business. Therefore, training is often in-depth and on-the-job and online training. Customers also play a vital role within the business, and feedback is encouraged through the website and via slips in store. Pret also often employ overqualified staff and say that they only employ happy people, which adds value to their business.
The nature of Pret's value is the freshness of their products. Another way value is created is through the service they provide. Customers go to Pret for the friendliness of their staff as they are trained to such a high level. Information provided on products also adds value as they incorporate humour as well as nutritional information. A number of groups judge Pret's value. Customers judge Pret before, during and after purchasing their products. They can leave feedback on Facebook, Twitter and their website. Staff personally transform ingredients into final products so they appreciate the value. Managers also judge the value that Pret provides to keep the business running smoothly.
Pret's main customers are office workers. They also serve students, shoppers and tourists. Pret supply Wi-Fi in store, and mainly office workers and students benefit from this. This is a strategic use of IT and could be a competitive advantage or even a necessity. In store, the self-serve relationship allows the customer to get food quickly, which appeals to the busy target market. Coordinators of work meetings receive sandwich platters from Pret's delivery service. The online ordering facility is convenient and therefore appealing to customers who don't have the time to leave the office for lunch. Short-term and long-term customer relationships are both visible at Pret. Some customers choose Pret only when it is convenient. On the other hand, many customers go to Pret daily, maybe for their lunch. Additionally, repeat online orders for platters generate long-term relationships. In terms of cyclicality, Pret has constant demand levels year-round. However, day-to-day, there are definitely more customers at peak time, lunchtime. Pret meet their customers mainly in store, which is the traditional channel. Consistent, recognisable storefronts generate strong brand identity. The new channel of online ordering is IT-based and so relies heavily on efficient use of information systems. Pret has also developed its own app, using technology to reach customers outside of stores. The links to social networks show that customers can express opinions of the company through public means. The website has a customer services section with links for communicating with Pret. The options to complain or praise show that Pret accept criticism and want to improve. Customers can sign up on the website to receive monthly email newsletters, and the option to join the Pret Super Club promotes customer loyalty.
Pret have many categories of costs. These include assets, salaries, and the running of the website. Costs can be said to be predictable, as similar products are made all year round, so repeat orders can be made. Pret are able to calculate costs such as rental salaries and can control these by deciding whether to expand or by altering wages. Pret shares are owned by Pret a Manger's management and one equity group. This limited number of shareholders allows behaviour to be more predictable. Costs could, however, be said to be unpredictable due to the economy, as this is out of Pret's control. The price of ingredients could also be unpredictable, as this is down to the quality of harvests. Economies of scope can be reached through the chef's ability to make more than one product. An example of economies of scale is their repeat orders, as they are effectively buying in bulk. Technical economies of scale can also be reached through the use of coffee machines.
Pret generate income from the sale of products. The quality of their service complements this. Many customers choose Pret because their food tastes better than competitors. Therefore, Pret's main revenue stream has developed through their use of Porter's differentiation strategy. Sales are partly influenced by the economy and the disposable income of customers. Despite this, Pret can be considered inelastic through their differentiation strategy. Prices are slightly above the industry average. It is quality and charitable appeal that ensures a consistent customer base. An increase in prices would not have a detrimental effect on sales. Pret do not gain competitive advantage through price. All transactions are processed using IT. Electronic tills link to an active database that shows daily takings. Customers are processed quickly through the use of IT.
We have created an ER diagram focusing on Pret's online ordering system. This service is predominantly used by businesses for catering for large events and business meetings. A one-to-one relationship exists between order and transaction. This is because one payment can be made at a time as an online ordering system is used. Once an order has been delivered, it is also completed. Therefore, a one-to-one relationship exists between order and delivery. If a customer were to place another order of exactly the same quantity and information, it would be given another order ID, which is the primary key generated by auto number. Therefore, even if it was identical in its characteristics, it would not be the same order again, and thus a one-to-one relationship exists. All other relationships are one-to-many. This is a screenshot of two tables within our Microsoft Access table. As you can see, we have made 5 data entries on each table. The data is arranged by auto numbers from the product primary key, such as product ID and transaction ID. We've used SQL within our order table to arrange the data by ascending order. This is the most useful for Pret to use so that they can arrange their data in order of first delivery to last. For example, this is a screenshot of once we've run our SQL. As you can see, the data is not arranged by its primary ID of order ID, but by delivery time. Therefore, they can then see which order to process first and create to match the business objective of high quality and fresh food. We will now run our SQL query for our order table, arranging delivery time in ascending order. To do this, we have opened our order table and will go to Query Design. We will then add our order table. Because we want all other columns within our data table to be arranged as well, we will double-click on every single item within the table. Once we've done this, we come down to the bottom, select Delivery Time, Sort, Ascending. After this, we click Run. This is now our query run, and we can see that our order table has been rearranged in order of delivery time, from the first order to the last according to time. Along with this, all other information within the table has also been rearranged. For example, the first order is now order 2, even though order ID is the primary key and has been arranged by delivery time. We can demonstrate the SQL code that has been used in this table here. It has select every single item within the table by order table, from order table, and then order by delivery time. This is our completed SQL query.
For recommendations, we've suggested that Pret employ a database for their products. At the moment, Pret currently have a product card for each product that they sell within store. It contains the recipe and the ingredients, all handwritten. So a database would mean that change would be a lot easier to implement within the recipes. Also, after trying to register for Pret's online delivery service ourselves, we found that we couldn't because we were outside of the catchment area. So we've suggested that Pret introduce a map service online, which would mean that customers could see where Pret do deliver to, and it would open up a wider customer base.